To make a surgeon's knot, you're going to need 0.6 elasticated thread. You're going to need some glue, and you're going to need either some scissors or flush cutters. Now, I've just wrapped a bit around my wrist just to practice with. I'm going to pre-stretch the cord, and then we're going to do our surgeon's knot. We're going to start by crossing over, okay? And then bring this thread here, yeah, and wrap it around underneath twice. So that's once, and then bring it round twice. So it should look like that. And then we're going to repeat the procedure by crossing over, and then bringing this part once, and then pushing it under twice, like that. Hold it and bring it together. See, like that. Pull the tails. Pull both the tails together. So give it a nice tug. It should look like that, nice and strong. You can see this is a surgeon knot. And then I'm going to just bring some glue and just dab a drop of glue onto the knot. So just hold it like this, and then bring a drop of glue on the knot, and then leave it to dry. Just hold it, I'll just shake it so it can dry. So once it's dry, I'm going to bring my flush cutters or my scissors and bring it quite close to the knot, not on the knot, but quite close, and clip it. So it should look like this. And if I don't like these two bits sticking out, I'll pick up my flush cutters again, and I'll go very near, because I don't like those two bits sticking out. Give it a chop again. Cut it again like that. Go to the other side, very near the knot, but not on the knot, and just cut it. See it, because I don't like that bit sticking out. So it should look something like this. Then afterwards, I just usually, when I'm using it with beads, I push this head into the hole of the beads. So there's loads of ways to do the knot. So I'll link another one down.